What's going on, everybody? How's everybody doing out there? Well, today I'm in Port Clinton, Pennsylvania. I'm at the Reading and Northern shops. We're going to take a walk around, see what we can see. It'd be nice to catch a train through here. Let's take a look. The sun was in my way. Sorry. It's in a bad location for the sun. That's all right, still got it. Their buildings are beautiful. So this is the steam shop, and I seen 425 barely in the window, so it's in there. Can't see it. Still a cool building. So you can see how many stalls they have coming right out to their turntable. Another engine shed down there. See that tender right there is pretty cool too. Got all kinds of goodies laying around you can take a up close personal look at. And this is obvious because right there is their wheel shop. The backdrop countryside also adds to the look of this place. It's beautiful. I love that car peeking out from there. A nice gondola sitting here. All right. Well, there's the famous Reading and Northern anthracite. I think what's really cool is that on display here they have an old banjo signal. It's not operational, but it's still cool. It's on display. You definitely don't see them. I mean, even trolling around museums, I really haven't come across them. Just pictures, and here's one in the flesh. It's pretty cool. They've got one of their switchers on the move. Oh, two of their switchers on the move. Alright, until next time, like, share, subscribe. Don't cost nothing. Hit that button. And I sure hope something nice happens to you today. Pappy out.